Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. You showed up today and that means you're already winning. You woke up stiff, sore and tired. But in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen up your entire spine, unlock your hips and fire up your energy for the day. Most people stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Let's fix that today. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right. And I will show you how. The last move in this session is something you've never tried before, but you wish you had. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you. So make sure to stick through the end of the session to find out. And I promise you, you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by opening up the chest. If you've been hunched over your phone or laptop, this is your reset button. Stand tall, interlace your fingers behind your back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, lift your chest and pull your hands down. Hold and breathe deeply. Feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders. I promise this is the fastest way to counteract poor posture and get deep breaths flowing. Beginners, keep your hands on your lower back if interlacing is difficult. And advanced stretches, lean forward slightly for a deeper stretch. Hold for 5 more seconds. Can you open up just 1% more? Breathe into it. That just opened up your posture. Now, let's stretch out the upper back. This one melts away tension in your spine. If you've been feeling tight or stiff, this will feel amazing. Kneel on all fours, then walk your hands forward as far as possible. Keep your hips over your knees and let your chest sink toward the floor. Rest your forehead down, relax and breathe deeply. I promise this will instantly loosen up your upper back and shoulders. Just let gravity do the work. Beginners, keep your elbows slightly bent. Advanced stretches, try rest your chin instead of your forehead for a deeper stretch. Do you feel that stretch yet? If not, walk your hands 1 inch farther. That just decompressed your spine. Now let's fire up your core with bird dog. This isn't just a stretch, it's an activation move. We're waking up your core and balancing out your body. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back, keeping your core tight. Hold, then return to center with control. I promise this move wakes up your entire body, improves balance, and prevents lower back pain. Beginners, keep your toes on the ground for support. Advanced stretches, add a slow knee to elbow crunch before extending. Can you hold this steady for 5 more seconds? And no wobbling. Great, now let's balance things out on the other side. Time to even things out. If you felt unstable before, focus on keeping your core tight this time. Extend your left arm forward and right leg back, keeping your core engaged. Hold, then return to center with control. I promise this strengthens your core, stabilizes your spine, and sets you up for the day. Beginners, if you need modifications, do the same as the right side. Try to hold this as still as possible. Can you do it? Now that your core is active, let's flow into a deep full body stretch. This is where we bring everything together. Stretching your spine, firing up your core, and unlocking your hips. Start in a plank position, then push your hips up and back into downward dog. Press your heels toward the floor. lengthen your spine and relax your head. Shift forward into Cobra stretch. Lower your hips, straighten your arms, and lift your chest. Hold, then flow back into downward dog. Repeat slowly. I promise this one move wakes up your entire body and boosts circulation instantly. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees in downward dog. Advanced stretches, hold Cobra for longer and press deep into the stretch. Last round, can you hold Cobra for 5 more seconds? Breathe into it. That just unlocked your spine. And just like I promised, if you spend hours at a desk, your body needs more. That's why I created something special for you. It's free and it will keep your body pain-free all day. Click the link in the description or pinned comment now before you forget. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.